Hello students, this is your science teacher Aparna and today I am starting a new chapter number 18, and name of the chapter is pollution of air and water. So students, this is the last chapter of your syllabus and name of the chapter is pollution of air and water. So firstly you should know about what is the pollution exactly. So what is the pollution? Actually it is a contamination. Actually it is the contamination of harmful and poisonous substances in the environment. Okay, so pollution is the presence of harmful and poisonous substances in a great concentration, in a huge concentration in the environment. So that phenomena is known as pollutions, and that unwanted harmful substances are known as pollutants. So I hope you are now clear about pollutants and pollution. So what are the pollutants? Unwanted and harmful substances which cause pollutions are known as pollutants, and pollution is the contamination of harmful and poisonous substances in a huge concentration which are not good for human beings, which are not good for plants and animals, even which are not good for buildings and properties also. So this phenomena is known as pollution. And if you are talking about environment, so air and water is the main part of environment. Okay, so when if we are living anywhere, so firstly we need air to breathe, and we need water to drink, and we need food to eat. Okay, so air and water is the you can consider the major component of environment as air and water. So what is the air? In atmosphere, air is present, and air is the mixture of gases. Okay, air is the mixture of gases. So mainly the ratio of oxygen and nitrogen is very high. So nitrogen is present in 78%, oxygen presenting presence of oxygen is 21%, and remained 1% contains carbon dioxide and other gases just like argon, neon, water vapors, etc. So what is the air? Air is the mixture of gases, and which gases? 78% nitrogen gas, 21% oxygen gas, and remained 1% consists carbon dioxide and other gases, even water vapors also. Okay, so we are studying in this chapter about pollution. So firstly we we will learn about air pollution, then we will learn about water pollution, because the in this chapter pollution of air and water is in the focus. So firstly we will start with air pollution. Okay, so what is the air pollution? If I am talking about pollution, so it is the contamination of harmful and poisonous substances in the environment, that is pollution. So if we are talking about air pollution, so what will be the definition? Very simple: contamination of air pollutants. Okay, contamination of air pollutants with harmful gases. Okay, with harmful gases. So air is the mixture of gas. So what will be the air pollutants? These will be also gases now, because it is the mixture of gas. So this is the composition: 21% oxygen, nitrogen is 78%, and 1% CO2 and other gases. So when ratio of other gases will increase, then air will be polluted. Okay. So what is the air pollution? Contamination of air with harmful gases plus smoke and dust. It means air pollution is the contamination of air with harmful gases. So which are those harmful gases? These are sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides. Oxides means nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen dioxide. So all the nitrogen oxides. Okay, and carbon monoxide. It will cover also carbon dioxide. And smoke and dust are also air pollutants. So these all are you can say these all are air pollutants. These all are air pollutants. Okay, so now you know what are the air pollutants and what is the air pollution. Okay, Now, what are the sources of air pollution? So, main sources of air pollution is the burning of fuel. Fuel means fuel which we are using to cook food, fuels which we are using to run our motor vehicles, petrol, diesel. These all are the fuels. Coal is also fuel. So, burning of fuels is the main source of air pollution. Okay. In automobiles, motor vehicles, also fuel is used in the form of petrol and diesel. So when they will burn, they will produce sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and many air pollutants. Okay. Factories are the also source of the air pollution. In factories, many types of fumes and smoke and dust particles. All the in factories, in different type of factories, smoke, dust are produced, so it is also a source of air pollution. Thermal power plants, industries, and even smoking is the cause of air pollution. So these are the main source of air pollution: burning of fuels, automobiles, motor vehicles, that means transport, okay, factories, thermal power plant, and industries, even smoking. One more word is written here, CFC. CFC stands for chlorofluorocarbon. Okay, CFC stands for chlorofluorocarbon, and it is also an air pollutant. And how it is generated when we are using in our home, refrigerator, ACs. So these are the source of CFC, and CFC is also not good for the environment. Okay. Now, students, come to the harmful effects of air pollution. What are the harmful effects of air pollution? So, main harmful effect is the health problems of human beings, because when air is polluting and we are breathing in that polluted air, so many respiratory diseases will produce, and it will increase many health problems. It can kill animals and plants. It can kill animals and plants, because when air is not good, when air is poisonous, then it will not be good for the animals and plants. So it can kill them. And next point is, it can damage environment and buildings. So it can damage environment and buildings. That means it can pollute the air and water, and it can damage buildings also. So have you heard about the now some monuments are losing their shine, and even color changes in marbles also. These all are the result of air pollution. Okay. Here I have discussed about air pollutants. So again we will throw some light in air pollutants here. So air pollutants are those harmful and poisonous substances, and one word is written here, unwanted. Unwanted. These are unwanted. We don't need them. Okay. So these are the unwanted and harmful substances that can contaminate the air, that can disturb the composition of the air. Okay. And what are those air pollutants? These are sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxides, carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon, and suspended particulate matter, which is also called SPM. So all these air pollutants, if we are talking about sources again, so main source of these air pollutants are burning of fuels, automobiles, motor vehicles, thermal power plants, factories, industries, etc. Okay. And if we are talking about adverse effect of these air pollutants, so many health problems, many respiratory disease, and so many monuments deterioration. So many things are going just because of air pollutants. So these are not good for us, these are not needy for us, these are just unwanted and harmful substances. So students, I hope you have understand. In case you are feeling any doubt, you are facing any doubt, then please ask to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.